I've built an independent performance model covering most of the US wind fleet. I sell project-level forensic reports. If you'd like to see a sample of my work, go to the pinned comment below and you'll find a link to GitHub. I went big with ERA-5. ERA-5 is one of the big reanalysis weather datasets. In common vernacular, it's the European model. These models take vast amounts of data from across the world, across all kinds of different sensor types and timeframes and everything. And they take all of this data together and do what's called a reanalysis model. If you go to the pinned comments below, you'll find a link straight to the ERA-5 folks. I'm not a meteorologist. I'm a consumer of weather data. Using ERA-5 for this sort of work is absolutely standard industry practice. Using MERA-2, the American model, would work just fine. I choose to use one or the other, so I don't introduce any biases into my work when I'm doing comparisons across regions and the like. When I say I went big with ERA-5, what I mean is I download the entire continental United States, month at a time. It does take a couple of database tables to get it all linked up cleanly. But because it's all set up cleanly, I could set up a regression with a wind farm in Oregon, but used wind resource in Texas. It would be a silly way of doing things, but that will also become important for the portfolio benefit analysis. There are much better sources to get good information about ERA-5 than I. The main reason for this video is to cover all of the basis of the data that I use to do my analyses. Thanks for watching. If you want to look at the performance data for a specific asset in your portfolio, or have questions about the fleet-wide model, my DMs are open. Feel free to leave a question in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next analysis.